Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So after a long time, I built a plugin, Content Secure Pro. So I built this plugin only 7 days. So this is absolutely functionality. The functioning is very awesome. You can check easily Content Secure Pro by little bit money for $6. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to codebeach.net, then you will get this plugin easily. So guys, I will just request to you. You just go to my website codebeach.net, then buy this plugin and test this plugin for your testing purpose or your building, or you can buy or sell anything. Okay. So guys, this is the multi-user premium software digital code base system. You can create a account. You can create a account, then verify your id, then you can sell your digital product from here. So now I'm just showing to you how I build this plugin. Okay, and also I'll show to you how what is the functionality. So first of all, I will show you its functionality, then in the another video I'll show you how I developed this plugin. Okay, so now go to the add post, create a post. Then here is the functionality. You can add the log system, log this content and pin or password. Okay, so now go to the title and you can give this another any title. Okay, best best content locker WordPress plugin. WordPress plugin. Okay, I just give you very simple and very elegant also. I just give you on simple idea. That's it. Then go to the ChatGPT and copy the post. This is very important. Then paste it here. Okay. Now come to the post. Then add this category also plugin. Then you can take this few tag plugin. I don't need to this. Just click the hit the enter button. Then log this content and pin number. A pin also it will be provided to you 2791010. Okay, so that's the default layout system by default by the generate fresh WordPress theme. So you can right sidebar or footers, you can easily modify this your as you like. So simply click this here, publish post. This is very simple guys. Then it will you will show that this post is locked by this content is protected. Please unlock to the view. Okay, so here the you just give this your password 2791010, then unlock this. Okay, now it will automatically redirect to your unlock system because we are already modified our plugin in the dashboard panel, and here is the password. Okay, this the password is wrong password, but set a global pin for all locked content for optional. This is the optional. Okay, so this is very simple guys. So now if you want it's not working, then you will tell me, I will provide to you and I will help you how it will work. Okay, so you can check, no problem. So guys, this is the very simple post, and this is very, you can refresh this it again. Okay, this is the global pin for every user. When they will come and they will ask you, please give me the password, because this password is protected. Anyone comment this here, then it will be wait for approval. You can't wait for your pin number, because user will come and read this content, and if anyone to tell them 2791010 and post. Okay, so then if you allow this, it will be automatically published it, then they will share this pin. but no problem. You can just build for your user panel, for your users. So that's why. And if you think that okay, comment will be hide and waiting for approval the admin, then they will don't post this one automatically. Okay, so this is a very simple functionality, but content log system is working now. Okay, I just show to you how it works. Okay, this is the very simple, guys. And if you think that this is the process and it will be redirect to the another page, you can easily set up this functionality. Okay, so now here Codevis content protect premium $29, it will be redirected to the payment integration system, and PayPal will be automatically payment integration system. This plugin is very awesome, guys. And content privacy protect and protector and privacy, one plugin I developed, then I will just redirect and functionality. This functionality is the content locked only protection and content lock this functionality. Then it will redirect to the payment integration. So this is the very huge functionality different between this one. Then now this plugin is absolutely another one. Protect all posts, all pages, and preventing text copying like that. You can check this. Okay, okay, then copies. Okay, because if you are now user and unlocked, when if you think that another one, like I just post, I just copy this and check this again, incognito mode, then post it. Okay, so content is unlocked, password already have here, this is the password because I already post. And you can check this one. Okay, copy is not working, so copy is working, like copying is working. So that's why you have to modify this one. Anyone come through this your website, then he cannot copy and he cannot show that, but already content is locked. That's why I didn't work for this one, but I will update it, no problem. Okay, so this is the functionality, guys. So if you think that this is very important for you and for your user community, then you can buy this plugin from codevis.net. Okay, so best of luck. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.